Former President Donald Trump expressed disappointment with two of his Supreme Court appointees on Monday, chiding Justices Brett Kavanaugh and Amy Coney Barrett for upholding the Affordable Care Act after its legality was challenged by Republican-led states. President Trump said in an interview with Real America's Voice, "I am very disappointed. I fought very hard for them, but I was very disappointed with a number of their rulings." But the former president said he didn't regret the nominations. President Trump added, "Second-guessing does no good, but I was disappointed with a number of rulings that they made." Last week, the Supreme Court upheld the Affordable Care Act in a 7-2 ruling, saying the conservative states challenging the healthcare law did not show sufficient injury to strike down any part of Obamacare. Republicans have tried repeatedly and unsuccessfully to repeal the healthcare overhaul after the justices, led by Chief Justice John Roberts, upheld its individual mandate as a tax in 2012, a prod to get healthy people to have insurance. Conservatives had hoped the law might have been dismantled by the court's 6-3 conservative majority, which includes Trump appointee Justice Neil Gorsuch. Representative Adam Schiff, the chairman of the House Permanent Select Committee on Intelligence, wants America to go on the offense and hold countries accountable for criminal cyberattacks originating on their soil. The California Democrat told CBS on Sunday that destroying and disrupting the infrastructure criminal cyber attackers are using may yield greater instability internationally, but the existing approach has not worked. Adam Schiff said on CBS's Face the Nation, "I think we need to develop an international rule of the road where if a nation doesn't take action against cyber groups operating on its soil, we hold that nation responsible, which means we sanction that nation, which means we use that nation's resources to indemnify against any losses." Adam Schiff said the intelligence community was good enough at attributing the cyberattacks for America to take new action to disrupt the criminals and their financing. He said, "Our intelligence is very good, but it's not predictive, so we seldom have insight about who's going to attack us and when it comes to these ransomware attacks. But we're pretty good at developing attribution, but, of course, that doesn't prevent the injury from taking place. I do think that a lot of these hacking groups operating on Russian soil, some of them operating on Chinese or Iranian soil, they have a synergistic relationship with those states, which means we need to hold those states accountable for what these criminal gangs do to attack our industry. Ransomware is a cyber attack that holds data and systems hostage until victims make a payment to their cyber attackers. Sometimes the cyber attackers attempt to extort the payment through the leak or publication of the data taken hostage." Amid a flood of ransomware attacks linked to Russia hitting the United States, President Biden met with Russian President Vladimir Putin and listed 16 United States critical infrastructure sectors that Joe Biden deemed off-limits for targeted attacks. Joe Biden's Republican opponents, including Senator Ted Cruz of Texas, have cast that list's formation as a move showing weakness in contrast to a more blanket prohibition against cyber attacks.